Hi student, hope you well and enjoying my lectures. Today I bring another way in mathematics, shortest way in mathematics, the shortest way to find cube of any two-digit number. Student, I assure you, after this lecture, you will be able to find a cube of any two-digit number without calculator in just 5 seconds. So have a look. Actually, there are 4 types of two-digit number. One is number start from 1. Second is number end with 1. The third one is same number. And the fourth one is different numbers. So if number start from 1, for example 1, 3, 13. So how to find the cube of two-digit number when the number start from 1? First step is, for instance, if you have to find the cube of 13. So first we have to write 13 as it is. Now square of the second number. We have to write square of the second number. Square of the second number. Here second number is 3. So square of the second number is 9. Make some gap. Cube of the second number, that is 27. I hope you understand. If we have to find cube of two-digit number when the first digit is 1, so we have to write the same two-digit number, write this. For example, you have to find cube of 13, write 13 as it is. Then square of the second number, square of 3 you know 9, cube of the second number you know 27. Now left first digit, last digit and first digit. Take these two digit and double of these two digit. Double of 3, 3 2s are 6, double of 9, 9 2s are 18. Add them. This is 27, there is no number, it means 0. So 27 plus 0 is 27. But keep in mind, always write only first digit. And this 2 is carry forward to other. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. But you don't write, you have to write 9, carry forward 2. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1, carry forward 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2197 is the cube of 13. I hope you understand. It's very easy. Have a look. Second part, second question. We have to find the cube of 15. So if the digit start from 1, we have to write 1 and 5 as it is with little gap. Square of the second number, the square of the second number, 5 square you know 25, and write the cube of second number, that is 125. Left the last digit and the first digit. Take middle 2 and double middle 2 numbers. 5 double is 5 2s are 10. 25 double is 25 2s are 50. Add them. 125 plus 0, because there is no number, 125 plus 0 is 125. But you don't have to write 125, you just write 5. 12 is carry forward. Now add 50, 25. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 12 is 85, 87. Write 7, 8 over here. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 3, carry forward 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3375 is the cube of 15. I hope you understand. You just take 5 seconds to find the cube of any number when the number start from 1. Now take second case. If the number end with 1, like this is 13. If the number, this is 13, this is 15. Now for your practice you have to find 16 cube, 17 cube, 18 cube, 19 cube as well. Now take this. Number end with 1. If number end with 1, we start from right side, not left side. We just write 1, 3. Again square of the second number, that is 9. Cube of the second number, that is 27. 3 square is 9 and 3 cube is 27. Left last digit and first digit, take middle two numbers. Same criteria follow for this. Double these two numbers. 3 square is 3 2s are 6, sorry, 9 2s is 18. Add 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 3 is 9, 18 plus 9 is 27, 7. Always write first digit. Carry forward, rule is applied. 27 plus 2 is 29. So 29791 is the cube of 31. I hope you understand. Take this 51. So if number end with 1, we have to start from right side like this. Take the square of this number 25. Take the cube of this number 125. Let first digit and last digit double middle two digit. 5 2s are 10, 25 2s are 50. Like this. 1 plus 0 is 1, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1, 50 plus 25 is 75 plus 1, 76, 6, 7. 125 plus 7 is 132. So 132651 is the cube of 51 without calculator. It's just amazing. If the number start from 1, you have to follow this rule. If the number end with 1, you have to follow this rule. If you have same number, like both two digits are same, it's very easy. Take any one of the number, because both number are same. Take any one of the number. For example, 4. Cube of this number 64. You know 4 cube is 64. Write 64 4 times. 64, 64, 64, 64. And same rule apply in this and this and in this case. Let first digit and last digit. Double these two. 64 into 2, you know, 128. 64 into 2 is 128. Add them. 64 plus 0 is 64. 4, always write first digit. 6 carry. Now 128, 64 and 6. 198. 8, 19 carry. Now 128, 64 and 19 is 211. So 1 carry 21. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 8. 85184 is the cube. I hope you understand. Now take next question. 55 cube. Take any one of the number, because both the number are same. So we are taking 5. 5 cube is 125. So write 125 5 times. 125, 125, 125, 125. Left first digit, last digit. Double these two middle number. 125 into 2, 250. 125 into 2, 250. Add them. This is 125. This is, there is no number. So 125 plus 0 is 125. But always write first number, carry forward is 12. So 250, 125 and 12 is 387. So write 7 and 38 over here. Add 250, 125 and 38. 413, write 3. 41 over here. 5 plus 1 6. 4 plus 2 6 1. So 166375 is the cube of 55. है ना, बहुत easy. So आपको इस तरह करना है इसको कि rules follow करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा practice करें. You have to take more questions like 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 88, 99. In this case, we have to take 31, 51, 41, 61, 71, 81, 91. Now, the last case. If we have both numbers are different, in this case, the number should start from 1. In this case, the number should end with 1. In this case, the number should be same. But in this case, if the numbers are different, so don't take any tension. First, you have to take cube of the first number. 3 cube is 27. Now you have to take cube of second number. 4 cube is 64. Make some gap between this cube and this cube. Square of the first number, 3 square, 9. Multiply this. 9 4s are 36. Square of the second number, 4 square. 4 square is 16. And multiply this. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. Now same rule will be followed. First digit left, second left, double of these two, 48 twos are 96, 36 twos are 72. Add them. 64 plus 0 is 64, but you have to write just 4 and 6 over here. Now add 96, 48 and 6, 150, 0, 15, 36 plus 72 plus 15 is 123, 3, well 7 plus 2 9, 2 plus 1 3. So 39304 is the cube. Here we go. कितना easy है आप देखें. Just follow the rules. Just follow the rules. I repeat again. Write the cube of first number, that is 27. Make some gap. Write the cube of second number, that is 4 cube is 64. Then square of the first number, 3 square is 9, multiply by second number is 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. Square of the second number, 4 square is 16, 16 3 is a 48. Take one more example, 56. What is the rule? The cube of the first number. You know what is the cube of 5? Yes, 125. Make some gap. What is the cube of second number? 6. 6 cube is 216. Now 5 square is 25. 25 6 is square of the first number, multiply by second number. 5 square is 25. 25 6 is 150. Square of the second number, 6 square. 6 square is 36. Multiply by first number, 36 into 5, 180. Left first digit, last digit. Double of these two. 180 multiplied by 2 is 360. 150 multiplied by 2 is 300. And now add. It's very simple. 216 plus 0 is 216. But always write one digit. So 6, 21 carry. Add 360, 180 and 21. 561, 156. Now 56 plus 300 plus 150 is 506. 650. 125 plus 50 is 175. So 175 616 is the cube of 56. Now you can find the cube of any two-digit number, like it can be 49, 35 or 62 or 98 or any other two numbers if you follow this rule. Now I repeat all the rules again for your satisfaction. If we start number with 1, write both number as it is, like 13 as it is square of the second number, 3 square is 9, cube of the second number, cube of 3 is 27. Add the numbers, but always write first digit only. Don't write 27 over here. Just 27 plus 0 is 27, 7 carry 2 and then follow the rule. If the number ends with 1, we have to write from right side. In this case we have to write from left side. In this case we have to write from right side. So write 31 as it is from right side. Square of 3 is 9, cube of 3 is 27. Left first number and last number. Double of the numbers, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18 and add them. I hope you understand. If we have same numbers, both numbers are same, then how to find the cube? For example 55. Take one number and cube of this number. 5 cube is 125. Write this cube number 4 times. So 5 cube is 125. Write 125, 125, 125, 125. Left the first number, left the last number. Double of middle numbers. 125 to the 250, 125 to the 250 and then add. But always write 5. 125 plus 0 is 125, but 5 over here and 12 is carry forward. The last case is if we have different numbers. So how to find the cube of different number? For example 56 cube. Write the cube of first number, that is the cube of 5 is 125. Make some gap. Write the cube of second number. The cube of 6 is 216. Now take the square of first number. 5 square is 25. Multiply by second number. 25 multiplied by 6 is 150. Square of the second number. 6 square is 36. Multiply by the first number. 36 into 5 is 180. Double of the second number, 180 into 360, 150 into 300 into 2 300 and then add them. I hope you understand. One thing is same in all four rules, double of the middle numbers. 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 25 2s are 50, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, 25 2s are 50, 64 2s are 128, 64 2s are 128, 36 2s are 72, 48 2s are 96, 150 into 2 300, 180 into 2 360. So you have to do practice more and more and more. Take many questions, create many questions from your mind, and then find the cube of that two numbers. I hope you understand. Student, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so you can get all videos, you can get notification of my videos, and kindly share my videos to your friends, your fellows, your colleagues and your family members. Hope you enjoy the lecture and never miss next lecture. Next lecture will be very interesting. Okay student, thank you.